Write down your expectation. Raise it before your eyes and watch that hallelujah, our prayers are answered, but our expectations aren't. What expectations can never be denied. They come perfectly cut off this month of June. All great expectations, doesn't matter how the past is, the angel is coming to visit you with a good lunch, news that you least expect. She felt that she had him in her life, but little did she know she had her plan. What are your expectations? Hallelujah, every minute, every second, every season in their mouth, we are in a very strange time. Any aspect of our destiny we forsake. Any attack, every attempt to rob from us, anything that belongs to us, we curse them, we curse them. We cause them harm in the name of this month of the fire. Verse 2, what are you singing? I don't want nobody else. It has been stuck in my head since Friday. I love you, you're lying. Sheer nostalgia, anthology right there. And it must be falling into it, gulp after gulp, after half a lifetime pulling away. There is a school you can see clearly, the now and the future, by shining a light onto the past, and this is corrupt. A lazy habit to seek the streamlined memory into theory by taking data that fits or reading the whole wonderscape from unified positions. Urban myths spring out of city geysers, a dime a dozen. Consensus and its opposite, a cesspool of opinion threads and no in between. An algorithm, correcting algorithms, restoring chances in what we need. What's the storyboard music for? Rapid change, convenience, how the connection. Before you arrive at your meeting, and you trust when you make announcements, that will be down together. Arm has grown out together, we must live one another, showing out their direction. You're going to have a breaking point, and for that unity this is it. Release these cars, take our ego, gosh, say that cell phones, they might just believe. The media just didn't tell the truth today. They don't still put thank for cell phones. Loaded into, I don't know what these cars and so forth. It was endless scuffle, waging thought with the police despite this is a typical New York foot. Why am I telling you this? Because people don't know how the crime started. This is where the rubber hit the road. This woman whose identity remains unknown went reserved. It was that moment right there, and just like many of us who march for equal rights for women, people of color, LGBT, there's always a moment you can feel it. Seattle, Capitol Hill, something is going to go too far. This is a close. This was the beginning of a movement that has to be reversed. Time's up. No more looming at me in my swimsuit. It's not enough. Pinching my bum while serving you a four-course and tray of margaritas. That's all right. I'm far away from black trousers, white shirt, look like that for Barcelona. Torque, holiday vibes, diamonds, I love them. My wrist continues lying out. I've been tired of surrounded with something I've heard on the internet to forget. Pictures from back in 2000 I swear, you are back with me. It's just a deal. And this awful picture of me putting on the beats to one faster. If you are up there, you don't care. If you're forever, it's something satisfied myself. I saw a post online, so I posted it. Made me think I want to back to the camera. I'm sorry, I'm shaking my head. I want you to start to go for it now.
The party within weeks of surrender to international oligarchy formed an alliance with the Netanyahu's government, with residents to drill and construct cable lines in the Mediterranean. And of course, with Trump that degenerates so quickly, I have to tell you a pertinent word. Find the remedy, the sweet spot, combine the aggression, the noise of the drill, its molecular sounds, the wash of drones, the aromas of the delicious juices cake, the acidity of coffee. Guess who's hungry this afternoon? Fluctuate between anger over the world that's collapsing around you, seamless streamlining into opportunism strikes fear into the very top of your lungs. Observe the tone of the feed all the way to the bottom of the thread, so clear as the stomach, the absolute coldness and the kindness, the wonder she finds it sad, engaging at the same time and also unperturbed by the complexity. Do we hibernate like the summer rose, bend, lolling, reclining on plush African pillows, hunt for serendipitous pictures of wars and bloom, oh the complexity, or else confront the haters. I've lost faith in you to move away from home, that is bad, it's weird, criticism for what are you guys doing? That's fair, 100% is anti-Atlantic, I own that, that's fair. Same amount of poems, higher stakes, but yeah, I don't even need the music side. Coming together, they're gonna get you. I don't understand the logic. Is it just speaking in generalities and cliches where guys, it is time to tone down the enthusiasm? And we're letting them all roll. Name is started and name is started. I just enjoy watching Trevor. We all have, wishing nothing but the best. I'm not enjoying all what, and by the way, it's not like he needs psychology. He's going into this spread. My God, is he not impressed? We'll see in September, caller number 3. Kicking the can a few months can make time to confront your failure to live up to your charge. Soon or sometime later, he wrote, it seemed flexible, that's how poets speak, with menace the secret vernacular you had to earn, be initiated into. Soon or sometime after death, he wrote digital fragmented and ignoring the dizzying, unstoppable force of hypermodernism while claiming that progressive moves will all catch up with you. At least it shows it's not me, it's them. Now that progressive facade, that kindness and flexibility is a branding exercise, just buzzwords, not a philosophy, years in the making and torn apart in weeks. We're nearly 2 decades hence, we've moved into new roles of quiet authority bestowed in this reserve for those coming to the end. Security is overrated, but as mortality looms, so evokes either an even more extreme aversion or assumes the stuff of immense comfort. Herbs, seeds, and everything they need tomorrow, annual flowers will be ready soon, and those who mourn shall be comforted. Located in the falls, we believe the most important thing is to tell the story, prepaid funerals to answer all of your questions, place the emphasis on being a good listener, video, foot service, and a special visit celebrating lives, the sunrise back with us. Culture is a blessing, we're looking for ordinary time past a bit of unique opportunity to hear from the job. Toward the end, and diving in context, there's 2 values given to you. I'd like to share this piece of not only among Syrians, the genealogy is preserved, and birthright, as everyone knows, is a story. He made a space ball that seems imaginable. His grandfather on his knee, telling the most important lesson should have trusted himself. He folded and lost his birthright. Who made all this stuff for sporting in the room? I said limits and streams, water and creation. I'm so glad you mentioned it. It's easy to be complacent, fall into the natural flow of things ad infinitum. Yes, we're the inheritance of multiple DNAs at the same time, a product of the conditions here in a searching imagination. The question bears repeating, why are people not surprised in many senses that you're so similar? If you introduce knowledge buried in the crucial tongue, family tree branches, jerk, and continent, and any wonder. Look, associations grasped by foreign impressive events concealed in translations and vintage technologies, except the presence of scars and scars telling you up-to-date knowledge. The skin remembers. My mid-Baruka treatment and Vesuvius like the financiers that Shirley tried to control and missed. As much as you can green ice cream, the neighbors had halibut fetishes new and their name was Corona. Chase Bart Sherman with a watermelon in the Islamic Republic missed a trip. Told the dark stranger, who do you mark when in Darfur? Flemish of the neighborhood is hashish, oh, showcase, just telecommunicate with me here and the girls in Iraq are bringing optimal chlorophyll in the postal market. Come now, Sarah, Sergei, Americans and Ukrainians prefer mishmash Russian diplomacy like segregated tolerance, but it's shaming Vladimir to core, especially operations and George for Mexico. Now tell me, are you an Eastern activist embedded in mind operations of literati and have cheats so much? Forget poisoning. Chip out an orthodox novels play the long game which persuades professors to instruct hoarding on masters and PhD sections, and your path is smooth and measured now. Suspicious of bots by now, just call the newspeak, that's old news now, it doesn't seem fresh. You let the mob into arenas and get them to invite patriotism, whether opium or fascism, as you say, what does it matter, we're the death capital of the world, used to sell emotion in bulk or to find a source of running connections. It probably comes by chance and near-death experience, say you're stumbling amusingly on collaborators in need. Use happenings and programs of hollowness of social media, the emptiness of stadiums and donuts and boys shouting the Russian novels and the river of dead souls from Edinburgh, and how art has become a professional line. He has a new book out here on incredible soft skull. Thank you for having me dead single paragraph experiential, turn off the radio. To start off with despair, I think I was trying to be less experimental than my tendency to single paragraph so confined is a story shock of convention. The book is about a weird alternative setback. I was trying to just I was trying to channel Ginsberg.
Proclaiming the street is a suboptimal place for the visual debate, fundamentally blind spot. Yes, and if you dress it well enough, proclaim a healthy level of ignorance. It will keep your business healthy for a little while. The give and take of the flattening and squaring of facial features globally. The hidden bias expressionism, software won't be resolved not for a while, yet forever. And don't get me started on the physicality and ugly digital day of all days of the crash. Brought to you by Zoom/Cloud, an inclusive set account for children who experience military trauma. Pick up your car and get a tax deduction for people with disabilities. You will feel good. Donate to collecting unemployment, but register locally. Many who need benefits are reporting struggles that shut down the website at issues loading. That makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. I tried to call 100 times already. There's none of the eligibility needs to be predetermined. Recommend the offer and cash offer, no more. Having to choose your home. You have entered your address if you're thinking about selling. With a no-cost, no application offer, a welcome crash investigation involving a pedestrian, all lanes are closed. It's a single file, the left shoulder, that crash on the left side, get past that. It's code for overnight maintenance. Slow down here into the poor, broken people's survival mode, suddenly plain. Absorb the pain, turn your gaze inwards, examine how you like to be viewed under the circumstances. Energy to engage with lofty revolutionary ideas supposes a bourgeois lifestyle. We are the sum of our contradictions. Our smartphones display so daily, and on the street the abstractive cause and effect understanding that powers your struggles. The linear narrative philosophy of political engagement breaks down painfully, an oil spill treated with detergent and washed away in due course by waves of rain. She's sitting out and proud and fighting the good fight all the while. Long ago, a young woman in a community in Montana, not that long ago, the biggest fear was to get arrested. A picture would be in the newspaper, a television report. If that was you, the life was over. Where would you go from here? You can imagine.
Christodoulos Makris.